Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
Introducing the ultimate grab-and-go snow busting tool, 24V SS10 from Snow Joe. Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 24V SS10 delivers up to 24 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, deck, and more. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 10 pounds, 24V SS10 shreds up to 1,632 pounds of snow per charge, while the dual-handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 10-inch wide by 6-inch steep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe, the 24V SS10 24-volt cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Get equipped.
Number 2. Number 1.
Metalworking pros. Now you can get double cut shear performance in a turbo shear, drill attachment, or air tool. The versatile model TSMD turbo shear drill attachment fits a corded or cordless drill you already own. And a 360-degree rotating collar on the shear's clamp can be set in any direction for optimum work clearance and material flow. A 2600 RPM air-powered model TSMDA is also available. This unit is compatible with your existing shop air supply and offers maximum power and cutting speed in a double-cut style shear. The blades of Nalco double-cut turbo shears remove a narrow spiral scrap from the tool path to produce a clean, straight edge on both sides of the cut. These blades can approach a cut from either end to produce a quality workpiece edge. They can also navigate up to 90-degree outside profiles of metal roofing panels or metal ductwork, and are beefy enough to cut through seams. And you can easily disengage Nalco double-cut blades from the cutting path. The blades can also be quickly re-engaged to continue cutting. Both double-cut turbo shear models use the same long-lasting blades, which are also easily replaced on the job.